Buenos morning. My name is Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles. In this video, we're going to be doing a replacement display for EUNORAU. This is a new upgraded display. You can't see anything it does because it's turned off, but we are going to plug it in. This one does come with the remote attachment for all of the buttons, which is really great. So we're going to take this guy out. We're going to put this guy in its place. There's not too much to it. Why don't I just go ahead and do a dry run real quick. This comes with a cord to plug in for the remote, and that's pretty well easy to do because you can tell that they are matched for the shape of the plug and also for the color. So you can't really goof it up. And then the other one comes with a green end for the terminal. So all we got to do is just find the green end for the terminal on the existing display. That one is yellow. I can see inside that little crack there. And let's just keep hunting. There we go, green, shabams. So this one, of course, goes into this display, which is now unplugged. And then this guy goes into the controller in the bottom of the bike. There's a little arrow that you can barely make out. You might have to get your reading glasses to see that. There's an arrow on both sides. Sometimes they got paint on them. Sometimes it's just a little indentation that you see on the end of the terminal. So after we plug that in, we're pretty much halfway there. You turn on the bike using the power button on the new remote attachment. And there we go. We can control our pedal assist level with the up or down. We can get into settings by pressing and holding both up and down. And then that goes into a bunch of stuff that you can change if you want to, I guess. You can clear the data, which means the trip set, I'm sure. But in this case, we'll go back, increase pedal assist level a bit, take it to 5, take it down. What's really cool, the throttle still works. The throttle connection right here still goes into the controller in the bottom of the bike. So I'll tilt it a little bit, pull down the throttle. Oh, I need to be in pedal assist. Crank up the pedal assist a little bit. I need more hands. And the throttle still works. So we're good there. Now, all we got to do is use a 2.5 Allen key to get these little guys off so we can clip it on. And likewise, it's probably a 2.5, possibly a 3 on the underside of these two things. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Ah, it is a 3. All right, so now we've got it physically mounted onto the bicycle. This guy, the old remote switch, actually has to come off through the grip. So I got to take off the grip, the throttle, the brake. Not a big thing, but I'll do it later just to keep this video brief. I'll say brief with these things, little two claws. So the cool thing about this bike that I have not yet done at all is that with this new display, it can now connect to a smartphone app, because we all need more smartphone apps, right? So you can find the app. It's called EUNORAU Go. It sounds like it rhymes, but it certainly doesn't spell like it rhymes. So you go ahead and open it up, and then after you open it, I think this is the main menu. You got to sign in and stuff. After you do the sign in, put your email and all that, click on pair. Now we're going to go for the manual scan, and then it will bring up a scanner. So let's go ahead and in the display, open up the settings by pressing and holding plus and minus on the remote switch. Then we'll go down to connect to app. We'll press the power button to confirm, and that gives us a QR code. Now, I did learn that it doesn't match the QR code on the actual physical sticker on the unit. So let's give this one a try. Oh, that was much quicker. Now it's giving us a list of options for the bikes that it wants us to put in. This one is the Fat HS. Right there. Ooh, a nickname. Edit nickname. Bike. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and pair that. And there we go. Now I have access to a whole new world of metrics and information, including the battery percentage. The headlights are off. I wonder if I can quick turn them on. Hey, there we go. Quick turn them on or off. It also can switch really quickly between measuring miles per hour or going to the metric system. The gear adjustment, yeah, this doesn't really change your gears because your mechanical gears are, of course, controlled mechanically. Let's go back on the display, see if this controls pedal assist. No? It does. This controls pedal assist. So on the app it says gear adjustment, but it's actually pedal assist. In here you have your live metrics of things that are going on. Right now we're not going anywhere, but let's go ahead and tilt the bike and trick it into thinking so. Go ahead and hit the throttle a little bit. Let's go fast. Might take a little bit of time for these to refresh, but when it does, it has a calorie counter, which I can't imagine how it's trying to make that sense. But it has the odometer, total cycling time, average speed, max speed. Those ones are pretty accurate. Total carbon reduction for CO2, I'm not sure how that's gonna go. But on the bottom, you got a few other things, such as your real-time speed. You can go to do bar graphs for cataloging things that you've done over a long period of time. So you got lots of fun stuff in here. So as far as bicycle apps go, this is pretty good. This is on the higher end. I have seen some that are better, but those are coming from big companies like Bosch or Shimano. For a smaller electric bike manufacturer, this is a really good app. I've seen some that are not working at all, some that are hardly working. I like this. This is good. If you like to catalog things over a long period of time, and if you like to have this kind of accessibility in your pocket, this is a really good option. Thanks for watching Blue Monkey Bicycles, and thank you for watching this video. See you next time.